Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about future continuous tense in detail. Future continuous tense is also called future progressive tense. The future tense denotes an action going on at some point in future time. It's about something that happens in the future and that continues for some time. It's in progress. The future continuous tense is formed in the following way. With the subject, we will use shall or will with be plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, they will be leaving for Kanpur this summer vacation. We will be waiting for you. In these examples, we are talking about the action of leaving and waiting that will occur in the future and is expected to continue for a while. Some more examples of future continuous tense are: he will be volunteering for the presentation, they shall be participating in the tournament, she will be singing in front of an audience for the first time. Its negative is formed by inserting not between will shall and ing form of the verb, and interrogative is formed by adding will or shall before subject plus be plus ing form of the verb plus object. So the example here for the positive future continuous tense is Ayush and Neha will be going to the office. For negative, Ayush and Neha will not be going to the office. And interrogative, will Ayush and Neha be going to the office? Now the uses of future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to express a continuous action in future. For example, I will be flying to Bangkok at this time next week. It is also used to denote an action planned or bound to happen in future. For example, he will be undergoing an operation this time tomorrow. This chart will help you to understand the future continuous tense in a better way.